It's 40 by 40 for India Alliance in the state of Tamil Nadu. It has been a massive kind of like celebration across the state. And we have Karthi Chidambaram. Congratulations, sir. I could see a massive welcome over here. So how do you see this victory?
This is not a surprising victory in Tamil Nadu. This was an anticipated victory. And all compliments to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for leading this front and for leading the campaign. It is for his developmental politics and also for the secular and federal agenda of the India Alliance. And so it's not unexpected at all. It's completely unexpected lines. I always said it is going to be 40 love, and it is 40 love.
Well, the exit polls actually predicted a large number of vote percentage for BJP and especially under the leadership of Annamalai. Would you like to comment anything on that?
I think we really need to take a real hard look at these exit polls. I think they are fairly agenda driven. They have to disclose their methodologies and their sample sizes. And I have a sneaking suspicion that the exit polls were done to manipulate the stock markets, because these exit polls were released on the 1st and the markets went up on Monday. And when the actual results came on Tuesday, they have tanked. So I would actually call for a joint parliamentary committee investigation into the stock market rise and fall and whether they were triggered by these agenda-driven polls which were released on all television channels.
And how do you see the numbers across the nation? NDA versus India Bloc.
I think we need to really look at these numbers real hard, and I think we need to read the inner message from these numbers. India wants a collaborative government, a consultative government. India does not want a government to be run by the diktats of one man or 1.5 men. So I think we need a more consultative, collaborative style of functioning of government in India, and that's the message which our nation has given in these elections.
Is India Bloc ready to provide that collaborative government now?
India Bloc is a collaborative exercise. We have multiple political parties, multiple leaders, where we sit across the table, discuss and come to decisions. These are not decisions that are thrust upon by the diktats or the whims and fancies of 1.5 people.
And what do you have to say about the founding member of one of these India Bloc, that is Nitish Kumar? He's not with you, but currently Naidu and Nitish Kumar seems to be playing a bigger role.
Mr. Naidu and Mr. Nitish Kumar have been friends with us. They continue to be friends of us. It's just that they are sitting on the other side of the table. They have had supper with us before, and I won't be surprised if they come back to have tea or supper with us in the future.
Are there any plans to call them for tea or supper?
Of course. I've known Mr. Chandrababu Naidu personally since 1996. I'll be more than happy to have a cup of tea with him. In fact, I'll be even happy to have dinner with him.
So who's going to lead the table? Who's going to be the Prime Minister candidate in that part?
That is a consultative effort. The whole idea of the India Bloc is a consultative idea. So it's not an idea where there's one man who is larger than everybody else, who's looming large and is shadowing everybody else. This is a team effort. And if that team effort works out, so be it. It will be a consultative decision.
The Prime Minister is one person also.
That decision will be taken in a consultative manner.
And how do you see the BJP's performance in this election?
See, the BJP built up its narrative saying that they're going to win 400 seats. Then they said 300 seats. And now it's that they're below majority right now. So they must really take a hard look at their own performance and decide whether they really have the mandate to rule this country.
And you also said something about Ayodhya, BJP losing over there.
Actually, it's a divine message. It's a divine message that I think Lord Ram has given, that the seat where the temple is situated, the BJP has been rejected. I think we must, it is a divine message. I think it's a message from God.
Plans are on from NDA to form the government on 8th June. Does India Bloc have any kind of arrangement like that?
It's a question beyond my station in life.
Thank you so much. That was Karthi Chidambaram, who said that India Bloc will provide a collaborative government. Pramod Madhav for India Today.